It's David from Site3D here, and I'm going to quickly show you the gradient colouring options in Site3D. So I have a design here that has a load of buildings, roads, driveways, drainage ponds and roundabouts on it, and I want to create a single surface from all of these design elements and colour it by the surface gradient. To do this, I'm going to go first into the Surface of Volumes button and create the final surface from all of these elements. That'll then show up on the 3D view with this coloured surface here. Next thing I want to do is I want to change the colour of this based upon the gradient of the surface. And we do that by going to the Model Colour Properties option here. Change the model to be the surface that I want to change the colouring for. In this case, it's the final surface I just created. And then select the Gradient Bands option here. And now we have a few bands that we can change the colours for, change the gradients for, just to highlight the different aspects of it. So in this case here, anything that is full orange will be steeper than 1 in 3, and anything that is in full blue will be flatter than 1 in 150. So we can really highlight this by going in here and changing the colours for one of these objects. Go to full red, OK, click OK, and now we can see on our design where we are outside of that specification. So we've got a few areas here that are highlighting in between the design elements that are too steep. And we can see those on the 3D view over here as well. And if you want to know what those gradients are, we could either use the spot annotation tools, or we could just use the additional tools and show the gradient. So measure gradient, change the surface to the final surface, click OK, and as I hover my mouse over it, it tells me that is 1 in 2. This area here is at 1 in 14 approximately. This area here is at 1 in 1. So these would be areas that we want to verify as to what's going on. So that is how you show the surface gradient by colours in Site3D. Thanks for watching.